Hey guys, how to use Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is an AI powered tool designed for answering questions, summarizing topics, or helping with research. So, after you log in, basically go ahead to the Perplexity AI and you're going to be able to see the sign in button at the bottom right, and then continue signing up or signing in with your Google or Apple or manually, right? And you can ask a basic question, right? In the search right here bar, type your question or the topic that you want to learn about. For example, what is quantum, sorry, quantum computing, right? And you're gonna uh, forward that question or hit enter, and then you're gonna review the results, right? Perplexity provides a direct answer, a concise response to your question, and sources with the links to where the information was pulled out, right? Or pulled from for further reading. And you can ask a follow up question related to the topic or see that related option from here so you can, entice your curiosity, right? And you have, of course, the plus button right here to basically upload a file or something like that if you want Perplexity to summarize the article or essay, whatever it might be, with basically sources. You're going to be able to do that. And also you can ask follow-up question using your mic if available. Tap the microphone icon to ask questions via voice, and you can ask contextual follow-up after receiving an answer. You can ask related follow-up questions without rephrasing or adding context again. For example, what is, right, climate change? And forward that follow-up question, and then you're going to be able to see the answer. And next, for summarization for longer articles or documents, you can just use Perplexity AI to summarize key points, paste a text or excerpt or link into the search bar, and the AI will create a brief overview. And you have the bookmarking feature, right? The bookmarking feature at the top, right? Save specific responses or links for later by bookmarking them if this feature is available at the top, right? And basically, if you want tips for best results, be specific, ask clear, specific questions like a clear question like what are the main uses of AI in education, right? And other stuff like tell me about AI, right? And other questions. So you can see right here, this is we covered now the part of asking the questions and follow-up questions. And you have of course the home page from here, right? And you can see the suggested uh, questions, and you have the discover right here. It's like a basically an explore page to see the newest topics, right? And basically you can see basically in every niche, if every niche you're gonna be able to see sports and entertainment, right? And you're gonna see right here spaces. Right here you're gonna see the bookmarks, the questions that you saved. You're gonna be able to see it from here, right? And you can go back to the spaces and you're gonna be able to create a space, and you're gonna see examples from here, brainstorm buddy, or questions to basically ask or to Claude. And from here you're gonna be able to use AI to create that space, or if you want to create a space on your own, name that space and add a description and custom instructions, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see the library, and here you're gonna be able to see all the questions that you asked to Perplexity, right? So basically you're gonna be able to see all of the answers if you signed in, of course, with your account, all right? And if you want to create a new thread, go ahead and click new thread at the top right and start asking your questions, and automatically Perplexity will save that questions to basically to your account. And of course you're gonna be able to see the home, right? And you're gonna be able to see your profile icon at the top, and from here you can control the settings, the language, and the avatar, of course. And if you want to change the username, you can do that. And AI data retention. AI data retention allows Perplexity to use your searches to improve AI models. And again, we're here to see the subscriptions if you subscribe to Perplexity. And you're gonna see right here, of course, the profile. And from here, you're gonna be able to add your bio technically and add the location and preferred response language, right? And keep it automatic for better use. And you're gonna be able right here to see the API for setting up a payment. You're gonna be able to see the basically the details about your account, and you're gonna be able to see, of course, the enterprise of Perplexity. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.